Now that we have modified our home page, so we can test this. So I can right click over here and then click on view page source. So if I do this, you can see that we don't have any kind of structure here. We don't have the doc type declaration, we don't have the title, we don't have the meta description tag or any kind of details. So all we have is a simple message which says hello world. So in order to add all the doc type declaration, the title tag, the meta tags, we need to create a templates folder inside the home app and then set up all those things over there. Let's see how we can do that one. So we can go to our VS Code, and from here I'm going to minimize this my site over here, and I can see that we have a folder here called home, and inside that I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this as templates. Now inside that templates I'm going to create another folder. I'm going to call this as home. Now this might seem a little confusing, but basically what I'm doing is I'm creating an app, and inside that app there is a templates folder, and inside that templates folder there is another folder with the same name as the app's name, that is home. Okay, so now inside that I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call this file as welcome.html. Okay, so now we can change this. I'm going to change this one to HTML over here, and you can just type in HTML5. So here you can see that we have the doc type declaration, we have the title tag, we have the meta tags, we have all those stuff. Okay, so now we can specify some message over here. So I'm going to give a simple h1 tag which says hello world. Let's save that. Let's get back to our browser, and if I hit refresh, there's going to be no change because I have not set up this template folder as my views.py. Okay, so we need to set that up. Let's see how we can do that one. So in order to do that, the first thing is you have to go to your home, views.py, which is over here, and we need to set that up. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can get rid of this line over here and say return. And instead of saying HTTP response, we're going to say render. And here we're going to use the request. Then we need to request the template folder, which is home/welcome.html. Okay, and we're going to give a blank flower braces. I'm going to tell you what this blank flower braces is later. Okay, so let's just do this much and let's save this. And what we can do now is we can go back to our browser and hit refresh. Now you can see we have a beautiful h1 tag, and if I right click here and click on view page source, and you can see that we have all the document structure starting from the doc type declaration, the meta tags, and also the title tag.